Hey everyone, it's Christy at Acadia Quilting. So I am back in my storage area where I have got my cutting table stationed for right now, and I'm getting ready to start on a big project that I have had in my want to do pile for a long time. So I wanted to get it organized, and I just want to show you guys a little bit real quick on how I organize a project. So first off, here are my fabric cutting instructions, and you can see I've got all these different fabrics in my kit. This here is the purpose of each fabric, the location of each fabric, and then the size and quantity that needs to be cut. So what I have done is I've gone and I've made stacks of different sizes of the fabric. So these are just fabric scraps. These are fat 8ths, I believe. Yes, and then these are fat 16ths here, and then my fat quarter here. And they're all pressed, ready to go. Then what I have done here on the back side of the table is I have lined up paper plates, and you can see the paper plates go all the way to the across the table. And what this is it says what the item is and its location. So this project is the Kimberbell Sweetest Pie bench pillow, and so there's different pie motifs here, and so it's going to be like, this is the raspberry pie and it's in row 1, the lemon pie row 1, pumpkin row 2, cherry row 2, and it's so forth and so on. Each of these are what is called unwaxed paper plates. These are the paper plates of our childhood when we had the wicker bottoms and it would leak through and end up on our dresses at the church picnic. Yeah, those are the paper plates you want. And you can get them really cheap at the Dollar General store, Dollar Tree, Walmart. And what I do is I put on here everything that is needed for that function. So, for example, here for the apple pie one, all of my pieces that are for this motif go right here in this paper plate. So when my instructions say, my fabric instructions, you're going to cut from the fat quarter, you're going to cut apple, and you're going to cut 1 2.5 by 2 inch square. That is going to go right here. Okay, and so forth and so on. And then I fill up my paper plates, all of my paper plates, I fill them up with all of the pieces cut from my instruction sheet. Now, whether I'm doing machine embroidery or doing quilting, it's the same process. So then I have it all stacked up and I'm ready to go. So then I can just take the paper plate to the machine. I can say, okay, I'm going to do the apple. I've got everything I need for apple and it's right here in this stack. And then I can just sit down and sew. And this little organization tip makes it really super easy for me to organize my stuff. So you know what I'll be working on today? I'll be working on cutting. All right, have a great day.